What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you integration of sin x plus cosine x divided by tan x plus cotang x dx. So I will use integration by substitution and also trig identity. So I change it to the tan and cotang. I will change it to their ratios. So it will be sin x over cosine x. The cotang is cosine x times divided by sin x dx. Then I will write the same thing, and here I will need to add these two since they have two different denominator. You need to have common denominator, so sin x times sin x is sin squared x plus cosine times cosine is cosine squared x dx. So it will be sin x plus cosine x divided by, sin squared x plus cosine squared is always 1. So it's going to be 1 over, that one is always equals to 1. 1 over cosine x times sin x dx. So then we have sin x plus cosine x multiplied by, we flip this two, it's going to be cosine x times sin x dx. Then when you multiply it, it's gonna be sin squared x times cosine x dx plus cosine x squared sin x dx. Then I will consider u as sin x, du will be as cosine x dx. Here we have the same thing. We consider cosine x as uv. U was here, so dv will be negative sin x dx. So I will have u squared du here, and I have v squared negative dv here. So then it will be u cubed divided by 3 minus v cubed divided by 3 plus c. So u is sin x, v is cosine x, so it's going to be sin cube x divided by 3 minus cosine cube x divided by 3 plus c. So that's the final answer. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding integration and other topics in math and chemistry. Thank you.